This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Carefully prise the wheel trim cover from place. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the road wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the road wheel. Position a jack underneath the relevant trailing arm and raise the jack until it is just supporting the weight of the arm. Working in the luggage compartment, unclip the trim cover cap to gain access to the shock absorber upper mounting nut. Slacken and remove the nut and lift off the plate and rubber mounting damper. Prevent the shock absorber piston rotating as the nut is slackened by using an open-ended spanner on the flats on the upper end of the piston. Slacken and remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Then lower the shock absorber out of position and remove it from underneath the vehicle. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, ensuring that the piston is correctly located in the hole in the vehicle body. Insert the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque setting. From inside the luggage compartment, refit the rubber mounting damper and plate to the piston. Fit the upper mounting nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Locate the wheel over the hub. Then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand, then lower the vehicle gently to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 110 Newton meters. Align the retaining clip cutout with the tyre valve and firmly press the wheel trim cover into place.